Hola mis amores and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a look using only the Laura Geller dual ended line and define eyeliner in the color black. I recently got this product, so I had to try it out and share with you my honest review. As you can see, this liner has two sides. One of them is a thicker carbon side. I'm actually using this shade from the Celestian Thunder palette to blend that out. And my idea is to do a smoky out look using both of the sides. I'm picking up this blue shade just to blend out from the Nomad palette, and now I'm flipping the product and using the eyeliner side to create my wing. I personally think that this product is going to be great for anybody who likes to do a lot of liner looks, especially if you like to have a carbon and a liquid liner. And this is it. This is my look for this product, and I actually even applied on my lips. I was really happy about how it looked, and I love it. I think a lot of you are gonna benefit from using a product like this. So if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next one, mis amores. Bye.